Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your router's IP address on Windows 10 or 11. This is useful if you need to log into your router settings to change Wi-Fi passwords, update firmware, or troubleshoot network issues. And the easiest way to find your router's IP address is through command prompt. So onto the search bar here on your device, type in CMD. Then right after, you'll have an option in here to run this as administrator. So click onto that, and when prompted, simply click on yes to allow the changes. Right after, here on the CMD window, type the following command, which is ipconfig. Then if you click on enter, look for the line default gateway, which is this one, this part here. The IP address listed next to default gateway is your router's IP. Now, once you have your IP address, you could open a web browser into the address bar and press enter, and this will take you to router's login page. If your PC is not connected to the router, you can still find the default IP address by checking the back of the router. The manufacturer usually prints the default gateway IP, username, and password over there. And also, you could look at the router's manual or search the model number online. And that is just basically it, how you find your router's IP address and access its settings. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.